Hello, everyone, and welcome back to SmartTalk English. We're really happy you're here with us today, learning and improving your English step by step. On this channel, we focus on real conversations, the kind people use in daily life, so you can feel more confident when you speak English outside the classroom.
Hi, everyone. I'm Maya, and I'm very glad to be sharing today's episode with you. Learning English is not only about grammar or vocabulary, it's also about expressing yourself, sharing your thoughts, and talking about how you feel. That's exactly what we're going to practice today.
Today's topic is very important for everyday communication. We're going to learn how to talk about your feelings in English. Feelings are something we experience all the time. At work, at home, with friends, and even when we are alone thinking about our day.
Yes, and many English learners know the words, but they don't feel comfortable using them in full sentences. In this episode, we will speak slowly, use simple English, and repeat ideas so you can listen, understand, and practice easily.
Maya, let's start with a very common question that people ask every day. How are you feeling today?
Today, I feel quite good and relaxed. I woke up early, had a quiet morning, and didn't rush. Because of that, my mind feels calm and my body feels comfortable. How about you, Alex?
I feel mostly good too, but a little tired. I worked late last night, so my body needs more rest today. Still, I feel happy to be here and talk with you and our listeners.
Many learners ask an important question. Should I say I am happy or I feel happy?
That's a great question. Both are correct, but they are used a little differently. I feel is often used to talk about right now, in this moment.
For example, you can say, I feel tired today because I didn't sleep well. This feeling may change tomorrow.
But when you say I am, it can describe something more general. For example, I am a positive person. This describes your personality, not just today.
Let's talk about some common feelings, starting with happy. Happy is one of the most positive feelings.
I feel happy when I spend time with my family or close friends. Even a short conversation can make my mood better. It reminds me that I'm not alone.
I feel happy when I finish my work and have time for myself. I can sit quietly, drink tea, and enjoy the moment without stress.
The opposite of happy is sad. Everyone feels sad sometimes.
I feel sad when I miss someone I love, especially when I can't see them often. It's not a nice feeling, but it's very human.
Feeling sad doesn't mean you are weak. It simply means you care about people and situations.
Another very common feeling is tired.
I feel tired when I don't get enough sleep or when I work on my computer for many hours without a break.
When I feel tired, I try to listen to my body. Sometimes resting is the best thing you can do.
Some feelings come from our body, like hungry.
When I feel hungry, I find it hard to focus. My stomach tells me it's time to eat.
Another one is thirsty. When I feel thirsty, my mouth feels dry, and I really want water or tea.
Let's talk about a strong positive feeling. Excited.
I feel excited before a holiday or a special event. I think about what I will see, what I will eat, and the new experiences I will have.
Excitement gives energy and motivation. It makes us feel alive and hopeful.
Sometimes excitement comes with nervous feeling.
I feel nervous before an exam, a meeting, or a presentation. My heart beats faster and my hands feel cold.
Feeling nervous is normal. It means something is important to you.
Another strong feeling is angry.
I feel angry when plans change suddenly or when people don't listen to me.
When I feel angry, I try to pause and breathe slowly. Reacting calmly often helps the situation.
A very peaceful feeling is calm.
I feel calm when I walk in nature or listen to soft music in the evening.
Relaxed is similar. I feel relaxed after finishing my work and knowing I don't need to rush anymore.
Sometimes life feels busy and we feel stressed.
I feel stressed when I have too many tasks and not enough time.
When I feel stressed, I try to do one small thing at a time. This helps me feel more in control.
Let's practice some natural sentences you can use every day. I feel a little tired today, so I will rest in the evening.
I'm excited about tomorrow, but I also feel a bit nervous.
I feel happy because I spent time with people I love.
It's also important to ask other people how they feel.
You can say, "How are you feeling today?" Or, "You look tired. Are you okay?"
Alex, how are you feeling right now after this conversation?
Right now, I feel calm, confident, and satisfied. I feel happy knowing that our listeners learned something useful today.
I feel the same. I feel relaxed and proud that we shared simple English in a helpful way.
That brings us to the end of today's episode of Smart Talk English.
Remember, talking about your feelings helps you connect with people and express yourself more clearly in English.
Practice a little every day. Use simple sentences and don't worry about being perfect.
Thank you for listening, and we'll see you in the next episode of Smart Talk English. Bye-bye.
Thank you for listening, and we'll see you in the next episode of Smart Talk English.